Remark.
Refer to remarks. Delete it from the scale inhibitor. That remarks.
Yes. This is not applicable, right?
That is not applicable, but I just delete that remarks here.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Okay.
Fantastic. Good. So for liquid we have seen, toxic solid we have seen. There is no toxic solid. Corrosive substances, we have already seen it, no concern. Biological hazard will be seen in the OHID. Ergonomics will be seen in the OHID. Psychological hazard not applicable, but we'll see in the OHID. Security hazard no concern because this is existing facility. Use of natural source and weed. Medical OHID. Noise OHID. Drilling not applicable. Rig. Any tie-in points? Any tie-in points or any
Yes, tie-in points will be there.
Yeah, tie-in not appropriately defined shutdown requirement, production loss due to the
Which
shutdown.
type of tie-in? It's electrical instrument or piping?
Electrical, okay, electrical.
Design team, which type of tie-ins you have?
Santosh and Deep.
All three types.
All three.
Yeah. So losses, site survey. You have done site survey?
Yes.
Design takes into account the existing project?
Yes.
Existing project. Tie-in schedule is in place?
In place means existing tie-in schedule or new one?
New one.
New one. Tie-in schedule prepared, Santoshji?
For piping, it is prepared.
Yeah, that means either it
Yes,
is
it is
prepared,
there.
not prepared.
It is there.
Yeah, either it is prepared, not prepared, but you are going to do it. So this is existing.
Yes.
Yeah, we are going
Yes,
to prepare because
yes.
dead leg study is going on. So once it is
Okay.
completed, we will prepare the tie-in schedule.
Yeah. And you have constructability and you have got CMOS workshop. So we are going to do next week.
Yes.
So that will be there.
But Sudeep, regarding electrical and instrument tie-in schedule.
Yes. Not tie-in schedule, the documents we mentioned wherever tie-in is there.
Yeah.
Actually,
So, yeah, I mean, whether you have tie-in schedule or you have a list or you have mentioned somewhere, so that means our purpose is served.
Yes, documented. It is
Documented, yes. That's good. And
But
you have any vote?
just put one recommendation saying that okay, the tie-in schedule is